Here are 3 different ways to making scallion pancakes, quick and yummy. Whether you're in a rush or just looking for a tasty snack, we've got you covered. Method 1. Classic boiled flour. Dough scallion pancakes. Ingredients: 300 grams plain flour or your choice flour, 300 ml boiling water, 5 grams table salt, scallions finely chopped, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, or your choice of flour spice, 1 tablespoon salt, black and white sesame seeds. Hot oil instructions. 1. Prepare dough. Boil 300 ml of water in a pot. Once boiling, pour in 300 grams of flour 1:1 ratio. Stir quickly until there are no dry bits. 2. Knead the dough. Add 3 grams of salt and knead the mixture into a smooth dough. I shape it into a long strip and cut into small pieces. Cover with plastic wrap, letting it rest for 10 minutes. 3. Make the filling. In a bowl, mix chopped scallions, 1 tablespoon flour, spice powder, salt, sesame seeds, and drizzle with hot oil to release the fragrance. 4. Assemble the pancakes. Roll out each dough piece into a thin sheet. Spread the scallion mixture. Fold it in half and roll it up again. Flatten it gently. 5. Cook. Heat a pan with a little oil. Place the pancake into the pan and cook over medium. Heat until golden brown on both sides. Enjoy the crispy outside and soft layered inside snack. Number 2. Quick no-knead scallion pancakes. Ingredients: 300 grams plain flour or your choice flour, 300 ml water, 1 tablespoon baking powder, cumin to taste, hot oil, scallions chopped. 1. Mix the dough. In a bowl, combine 300 grams of flour with 300 ml of water. Stir until you have a thick batter, mixing until a sticky dough forms. Let it rest briefly. 2. Prepare the filling. Mix chopped scallions with a pinch of salt. You can also add your favorite spices for extra flavor. 3. Shape the pancakes. Roll the dough out. Spread the filling evenly. And fold it in layers. Press down gently to form a pancake shape. 4. Fry. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add the pancake and fry until golden brown and crispy on both sides. Serve hot and enjoy the layers and flavors of your scallion pancakes. Number 3. Quick and big pancakes for the whole family. Ingredients: 1 pound 450 grain all-purpose flour, 2 grams yeast powder, 320 milliliter warm water, scallions finely chopped, salt and pepper, cooking oil for frying, additional salt for puff pastry. Instructions: Step 1. Make the dough. 1. In a bowl, mix 1 pound of flour with 2 grams of yeast powder. Gradually add 320 milliliter of warm water and stir until it forms a shaggy dough. Knead in chopped scallions until smooth. Step 2. Shape the dough. 2. Divide the dough into 5 pieces. Roll each piece into a rectangle. Brush with a mixture of cooking oil and salt, and fold to create layers. Roll out each folded piece again into a rectangular sheet. Step 3. Cook the pancakes. 3. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat with a little oil. Cook each pancake for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy, adding oil to the surface for extra crunch. Step 4. Serve. 4. Remove from the pan and enjoy your delicious, soft, and multi-layered scallion pancakes, hot or warm, with your family and friends. Don't forget to share your creations and enjoy with family and friends. A happy cooking!